these three things are correct. Okay. After that, what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to create one connection con1. Right. This is a connection variable I'm going to do. This is a prepare statement. Prepare statement. Here I'm going to insert. Let me insert. Right. Here what I'm going to do is here, right click on this, there will be the error. So here you can see the notice that there will be the error. Here you just click on this and you can see the things. You have to import the first packet. Add import com mysql JDBC connection. You have to import this class. Okay, so that it will be clear. You must import the class. Okay, this one also you have to import the class as a prepare statement. Okay, now the error go away. After you import the class, you can check the class is import or not. Here you can go above, you can check these classes are important correctly. So important com mysql JDBC connection. Right, that's the thing you have to do. After that, what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to write the class dot phoneme. Here you have to write the connection com dot mysql dot jdbc dot driver. Right, you have to first write this class. So right here again the error will be coming here. If you click this one, it is telling that surrounding the statement with try catch. Okay, so you no need to write the begin with try and catch, it's automatically asked. So first you have to write like this. After that you have to it pop up the error. You just click on this error, it's automatically import the try and catch. Okay, you no need to write the try and catch. Okay, it's automatically important. Right, now you have to call the connection variable here con1. You already write above dot. Here you have to write as a driver manager dot driver manager. Sorry, which is not coming. Driver. Sorry. Equal driver manager. Dot driver manager dot driver manager dot get connection. Here you have to write the connection here. So connection is, you have to write like this. You just remove all the things, go to the mysql database. Here, what is your database name? Linda. This is your database name. This is the Linda database name. Okay, now what I'm going to do is here, you have to write like this, double quotation mark, here JDBC colon mysql. Here you have to write localhost, that is your localhost. What is your name of the database you have to give. Okay, inside localhost your database is here. Linda is your database name. Linda. Right, this is the database name you have to give. That's the thing you have to give first. After that, comma, your username will be root, your password will be blank. Okay, this is the default username and password in MySQL server. Right, root and password will be blank. Okay, there will be the error. What is the error? Here what you are going to do is, here first what I am going to do is here, just copy this one, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here this catch block. I am going to write another exception, which is a SQL exception. MySQL exception. Now go above. These are the namespaces. Now what I am going to do is here, I wrote here import MySQL JDB connection. Instead of this, I am going to write as a import java dot SQL dot connection. This is the namespace I am going to write. I just remove this one. Right. This is the things we have to write. Import. Right. SQL Java SQL connection. Right. Now you can see the error go away. Right. This is the thing you must write. Right. Now I am going to Control X to cut this one and paste above. We have to use wherever we want this connection and prepare statement. Now I am going to write the insert query for inserting the record into the database. So I am going to get this prepare statement. So insert equal connection dot prepare statement. This one prepare statement. Here I am going to write the insert query. Insert into the name, table name we have to give here. What's the name? Table name record. So we have to give the name of here record. Right. Insert into records. Right. That's the thing we have to write. Here we have to give the values. What are the values in the record database? So these are the columns: name, ID, name, mobile, and course. This one will be auto incremented. ID will be auto incremented. So we no need to write. So now another columns we have to write name, mobile, and course. You have to write the name without spelling mistake. What you wrote in the database, the same name you have to write here. Okay, these are coming from the database table. After that, the values. You have to enter the values. Here, values. Here you have to write the values here. So we have to put the question marks for inserting. There are 3 values we are going to enter. Insert. Right. That's the thing we have to write. Right. That's the only thing we have to write. Right. The same thing I am going to do here. The namespace. Here we have to remove the MySQL this one. Instead of that, you have to write import java dot SQL dot prepared statement. That's the namespace I am going to import. Now you can see the error go away. Right. That's the only thing we have to write. Now what I am going to do is here, I am going to insert the query into the database. So I am going to write insert again equal insert dot set string. Insert dot set string this one. Here you have to write the first one. Here this one will be name. After that, Control C to copy this one, Control V to paste here. This one will be second, mobile. Control C to copy, Control V to paste. This one will be course. This one will be 3. What is the number of this one is, when you store the data into the database, it's coming like an array. So 1 mean the database, 1 mean it is starting from here 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's how data will be added into the database like an array. So 0 position mean ID, 1 mean name, 2 mean mobile, 3 mean course. That's how I put here. Okay, right? This is a text box. When you entering the data, it is putting to the relevant variable. This variable I give here. Okay, it is passing to this question mark for add the records into the database. Right. Now what I am going to do is here, after that I am going to execute the query. Insert dot execute update, this one. Right. That's the only thing we have to write. Now the final thing,